Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to block the adult content on YouTube here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and from here, please type for Google Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear and once it's here, navigate at the right side of that and click on open to proceed. The moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, you need to wait until everything are set before you proceed. And once it's here, please proceed at the search bar here and type for YouTube. Once you've typed it, please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So you can see a top result here, which is the YouTube. Click on this link so that you can open the YouTube here at the Google Chrome browser. So once you are being navigated to the YouTube, all you need to do is you need to sign in first your account. Okay, please sign it in. And once you have signed it in, please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a user icon. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up this window at the right side of the screen where here you can see a list of options such as YouTube Studio, purchases and memberships, your data in YouTube, and more. And since we're dealing with the blocking of the YouTube adult content, then we need to navigate with this option called restricted mode. So you can see there a forward arrow, click on it and here you need to ensure that this is being on. So if you in your case it is off, turn it on. And in that way you would be able to hide potentially mature videos. So in this way or manner, you won't be able to see adult content here in the YouTube. So this is good to protect your kids. So especially if they have access in your PC or laptop, they can no longer watch any adult content that can badly affect them or that can harm them even more. Okay? Even worse, sorry. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.